Hi everyone, welcome to Maker's Make.
Okay, so the strap that we cut off, I've folded in half. I've glued the two pieces together, leaving about 1/4 inch in here as a loop, and I have glued it down to the fringe or the tassel. Now comes the rolling and the gluing. That extra piece that I had you cut off, this can be, if you want it to be, a cap to go around your seam. You glue it down and you have a cap, similar to something like this. That's purely optional. Okay, so I'm going to take the glue and I'm going to place it on here, and I only do a little bit at a time because it's kind of messy and I need fingers to roll using the best tool of all, which is a toothpick. I spread it on, not too thick, but enough so that the top will definitely hold. And I start rolling. I make it nice and tight, and most importantly, I want to make sure that the top is smooth up there, level. A little bit more spreading of the glue. Some more rolling and some checking to make sure the edges are level and there's not a whole bunch of glue squishing out. A little bit more glue, a little bit more rolling, a little bit more checking, and a little extra glue right here just to make sure this is nicely glued down. This is all smooth up here. I'm going to take a little bit of this painter's tape. Painter's tape will help me hold the band in place until the glue dries. Just put it over like that. Wrap it around a little bit. I'm going to wait till it dries. Now you notice that I had a band around this one. You can put all different color bands on as well. Let's see what black looks like on the gold. That's kind of pretty. So it really depends on what your mood is. This is the same gold color. When you're making them, this one's a short one. This is the 2.5 inch that we just did. And then we'll come back and we'll make the tabs. I will show you how I did it. And folding and gluing. Adding initials with adhesive vinyl, not heat vinyl, but adhesive vinyl. Using a jump ring and a key ring. And you're done. So I'll be back shortly and show you how to do this.